Hey folks, it's 88 here with another random booster pack opening. We got 20 different packages from Magic the Gathering, 20-sided die, the big huge 20. Give me a second to set it up and let's see what we're going to open. Alright, 88 back here, 20 different packages, all randomly assorted. Big huge 20. Let's roll this bad boy and see what we're going to open. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was off the camera. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. There you go. 14. Okay, there we go. 14 says it all. Behind package number 14. Slot number 14 here is 2014 core set. Alright, so let's take that package out of this area. Let's show you what else we could have opened. We could have opened up a Journey to Nyx, Wolf Gatewatch, Dark Ascension under spot number 18. The Eternal Masters under spot number 11. Sorry, spot number 12. That Innistrad package, still want to open that one, but it's always away from my reach. And up above, looks like I might have wanted to maybe open up the Concept here, see if we can get a fetch land. But spot number 14, we're opening up 2014 core set. Kind of fitting, isn't it? Anyways, I'll clear the board and get back in 1 second. We'll open this bad boy package. Alright folks, back again, spot number 14, as per the big huge 2014 core set. Let's see what we're going to get out of this package. I'm not too familiar with what's in here. I believe there's Planeswalkers here. I'm not too sure what the main rares, uncommons and or commons are big money, but hey, that's why we're opening up this package to see what we get. Should be a fun time. Alright, so we got that card there, so the back side. Alright, so, hey, first card is a Shock. Good card, I like that one. Duress, another good common. Oops. Pay No Heed, third card. Liturgy of Blood. Mindrot, absolutely fantastic card. I like this card a lot. Deadly Recluse. Striking Sliver. Oh yes, okay, this set has a lot of slivers in it if I'm not mistaken, for a core set. Celestial Flare. Glade Cover Scout, another decent good card for 1/1 with Hexproof. You can't go wrong for a 1/1 creature. Elf Scout, good for an elf deck. Oh, first uncommon. Wall of Swords. Second uncommon is a Rod of Ruin. Third uncommon, Diabolic Tutor. I think that's a decent card. Not familiar, but hey, it's a tutor nonetheless. And a rare, Johnny's Chosen. So it's a 2 white and 2. It's a 3/3 cat soldier creature, and whenever your enchantment enters the battlefield under your control, put a 2/2 white cat creature token onto the battlefield. And if that enchantment is an aura, you may attach it to the token. Not bad of a card. So we have 9 commons. We got 3 uncommons, 1 rare. I think there might be something else in here. It's a foil, that's for sure. Alright, let's see what we get. Ready, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's a Hive Stirrings. It's a common foil, but hey, look at that shine. Can't complain for getting a foil. And let's see what I got. We got an island. And a sliver token. Yeah, heavy on the slivers. Really cool looking token. So, with this, if I had to choose to draft, I might actually choose the Shock. Or the Duress. Or maybe even the Diabolic Tutor. So those are my choices. However, you guys might be different. Let me know what you think. Alright, so thank you for joining us today. Please leave a comment, click the like button, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Twitter at 88's House of Packs, and keep a lookout for the next video. You never know what we're going to open. It could be Magic, it could be Pokemon, it could be something other than any of these things. If it's like my daughter, it could be Shopkins. Who knows what's going to happen. So everyone have a great day. Be good to each other. Safe gaming with yourselves amongst others. And bye for now.